Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to change your profile picture on Threads in 2025. It is going to give you a fresh look to your profile and you will be able to update your brand over here. So make sure that you stick around until the end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, first of all, you need to launch your Threads mobile application and then log in into your account. Then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here you will be able to see the option of edit profile, so simply tap on it. Here right next to your name you will be able to see your current profile picture, so you need to tap on it and here it is going to give you three different options. Now if you want to remove your current picture you can tap on the last option. If you want to add a new profile picture, you can select the first option. If you want to import any of your images from your Instagram account, you can select the second option. So whichever option you want to choose, you can select that and you can simply add your photo. So let's say I want to add a new photograph over here. So I'm going to be tapping on the new one and it is going to basically show you all of your photographs available here. So you can also use this photograph option and capture your photo just like this one. Then you need to simply just edit it. If you want to, you can change the adjustment, you can change the brightness, contrast, structure, anything. Then tap on the done option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. As you can see over here, now my profile icon or my profile picture has been changed, and this is how you can do it very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more these types of content, and don't forget to comment as well if you want me to create videos on any other topics of your choice. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.